Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal app error. If you're experiencing errors with a PayPal app and you'd like to resolve the issue, then here are some troubleshooting methods. First of all, ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you have the connection for your device, the next thing you want to do is to restart the PayPal app. Drag from the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You will be able to see the app switcher, which you'll need to go ahead and force close by pushing it upwards and releasing it. Go ahead and close off any background application running at the moment on your mobile device, and once you are done, reopen the PayPal app again and check if the error still occurs. If the problem still continues, the next thing you want to do is to update your PayPal app. Make sure you have the latest version of PayPal app. Go open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device, and then in the search box type in PayPal. Now, from the PayPal application that has been shown on the search results, go ahead and tap on it and look for the update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of PayPal app. After you update your application, open it up and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, make sure to go ahead and clear your app cache. If you're an Android user, you can go to Settings and tap on Apps and choose PayPal, and then tap the storage button and tap on Clear Cache to restart the app. If you are on iOS, simply go ahead and open up your Settings app. Once you open up the Settings interface, go ahead and tap on General. Under General, look for iPhone storage and look for the PayPal application from the list. Once you find it, tap on it and this will open up this page where you can simply tap on Offload App. Click on Offload App once again and you will then be able to offload the app from your device. Now go back to this Reinstall App button and reinstall your application again. After you do that, you may be able to solve your issue for PayPal. If the problem still persists, make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. Try updating your system and then this might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the PayPal application error and get you back to managing your transactions smoothly. If you found the video helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.